Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Realme 6 has enough battery and is unlocked. This avoids interruptions. Open Settings and tap Sound and Vibration to reach volume controls. Once there, locate the option that ties volume to physical buttons. This may be labeled Button or Volume Key Behavior. Tap it now. You want the hardware key mapped to media or ringtone depending on your goal. Make these first changes, because they determine how the system will respond as you continue the process. Now you'll remap and fine-tune each audio stream so the volume buttons do exactly what you expect. Choose media, ring, alarm, or notifications, and set each slider to the level you want. For example, set media to 70% for consistent playback. Once set, press the physical volume up/down and watch the on-screen indicator to confirm the active stream. If the wrong stream appears, return and switch the button mapping. Repeat until pressing the hardware key. Adjust your chosen stream. Finish by saving changes and testing with several apps like music and phone. If the button still behaves incorrectly, reboot the phone first. That clears temporary conflicts. Should problems persist, reset only sound settings rather than full factory reset and test again. If you suspect an app is overriding buttons, boot into safe mode to isolate it. One key troubleshooting tip: if physical keys are unresponsive after a drop, inspect hardware. Software fixes won't help a damaged button.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.